Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Olaoluwa Miracle and I'm the creative director of Miracle Styles. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, so if you're the first time, you're welcome to the family. I feel like giving you a hug right now. A virtual hug actually. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you finish watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are really welcome back to the channel. I love you so much. Today's video will be a DIY of how I turned my old palazzo into my back to school dress. Nigerian universities, it is a norm to dedicate a week for the final year students leaving the school. During the week, we have a lot of activities like back to school, sign out, lecture, cultural day, and so on. I have this old palazzo trouser that doesn't fit anymore, and I love the fabric, so I just feel like why not recreate it into my back to school dress, and it actually worked. I love it. Another thing I love about it is that it is versatile. Like I can actually rock it in different styles. To know how I turned this old palazzo trouser into my back to school dress, keep watching.
So guys, the first thing I did is to dismantle the trouser. Here is what it looks like. Then I just did some trimmings, and here I'm marking out my skirt length and cutting it out. Yeah, so I'm marking my horizontal measurements, my shape, the shape of the skirt that I want. So I'm just marking my measurements on there, the waist deep, and I cut it out. And here's what it looks like. The next thing I did is I transferred my pocket measurements to the skirt. So I started by measuring the length and the width. Then I made a mark on my front panel of the skirt and I cut that out. Just make sure that the pocket measurement you transferred is only to the front. The next thing I did is to detach my pocket from the trouser, and the remaining fabric from the trouser I marked a rectangle of 11 inches by 9 inches, which I will be joining to the upper part of the skirt. The next thing I did is that I took the front part of the skirt, then the pockets I detached from the trouser, then I joined them right sides facing each other, then I sealed them together, and then I top stitched, and then I secured the pockets on the waistline of the skirt. For the rectangular pieces I cut out earlier, I joined them right sides facing each other, then I sew it all around, leaving just one side. It's from that side that we turn it around, and after turning it around I top stitched it just to make sure that my sewing is secured. On the open side I folded it into two, then I notched the midpoint, then I joined it to the front part of the skirt, notch to notch. Then I joined it with my straight stitch. Then the next thing I did is join the front and the back piece together at the sides. Then I cut out these two pieces from the remaining fabric. It is 30 inches long and 3 inches wide, so I folded it into two, then I joined it all through. Then after joining I turned it to the other side. So I have a long rope which I will use to join the front piece of the skirt to the back piece. I don't know what this is called, but I got it from a leather shop where they sell leather and materials for bag making. So I'll be using these loops with the rope to attach rope to the dress. Then I got another piece of the fabric. I didn't measure the length, but I used 2.5 as width. Then I joined it, turn it to the other side, and I inserted it into that metal loop so that I can know which length that I will need. So after knowing the length, then I cut it off, then to cut for the other side too. So I secure the ends with my zigzag stitch. I did that so as to secure my stitch because the fabric frays easily. the next thing I did is to join it to that rectangular piece we attached to the front part of the skirt. So it is that metallic loop that will help us to attach the rope that will connect the front part of the skirt to the back part of the skirt. So this part is a very important part of connecting the rope to the dress. I don't know how to actually give the explanation, but I want you to watch closely so that you can understand better how I go about it here. This is the part where we attach a zipper to the back part of the dress. I did that off camera. So the last thing to do is to measure 5 inches from your zip side, then you take the end of the rope, then you sew it to the back piece, and that's all for this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts and ideas in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you in my next video. Bye.